Hi there, let's get ready for a very short but highly interesting video about the Dutch word wat. Wat is simply what in English, as in what is dat? What is that? So just drop the H and you're fine to write it. Alright, but sometimes we use wat with a different meaning, as in heb je wat suiker voor mij? Do you have some sugar for me? So what there is some or a bit of. That confuses students sometimes, as well as the following. Wat voor speler is dit? What kind of a player is this? And you could also say, welk soort speler is dit? Means the same. What kind of a player is this? So it doesn't have anything to do with what we've seen at the beginning of the video. All right. And one last little thing, when you're using what with a sentence, a subclause, for example, hij zegt wat je straks moet doen. Same what, but mind the word order, all the words are at the end of the sentence. Alright, this question about what was asked in my Facebook group, so feel free to join via the link in the description below. Tot ziens!